Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to link PayPal to your Weebly website. This integration is essential if you want to accept payments directly on your site, making it easy for customers to purchase your products or services securely. First, head over to Weebly.com and log into your Weebly account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your homepage. On the left side menu, locate and click on Settings. From there, click on Checkout. This is where you'll manage all your payment options and configure how customers can pay you. Now, here's something important to note before we continue. Linking PayPal to your Weebly website requires you to upgrade your account to a paid plan. The free version doesn't support e-commerce features, so if you're ready to make that investment and start selling, let's walk through the steps you need to follow. The next step is to log into your PayPal account. Make sure you're using your business account email and password, as this will be the account that receives payments from your Weebly store. Having a business account ensures you have access to all the features necessary for managing online sales professionally. After logging into PayPal, you'll be prompted with a screen asking you to authorize the connection between Weebly and PayPal. Click on Agree and Continue or grant access depending on what the screen displays. This step is crucial because it gives Weebly permission to process payments through your PayPal account securely. Once you've granted access, return to your Weebly checkout settings. Here, you should see that PayPal now shows as connected. This confirmation means the integration was successful and your store is ready to accept PayPal payments. Now it's time to add products to your store. Navigate to Store and then click on Add Product. Fill in the necessary details for each product you want to sell, such as the name, description, price, and images. While setting up your product, make sure to enable PayPal in the product settings so customers can use it as a payment method. Finally, you'll want to test the checkout process to ensure everything works smoothly. Click on Preview to view your site as a customer would see it. Add an item to your cart, proceed to checkout, and select the PayPal option. This test run will confirm that the payment flow is functioning correctly and that your customers will have a seamless purchasing experience. And that's it. You've successfully linked PayPal to your Weebly website and set up your store to accept payments. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.